Hi guys, hello everyone. In this video today I'm going to tell you about the top most 10 of free domain in hosting in that many websites are there right now. So like especially I'm going to tell the top most free websites are there right now. So total that team that websites are there. So actually I'm going to tell those websites. First one is infinity.com. Second one is free hosting. Third Third one is Wix. Fourth one is Triple Zero Web Host. So fifth one is Google Cloud Hosting. And sixth one is Workspace. So seventh one is Pi Hosting. Eighth one is Free Hostia. Ninth one is Free Web Hosting Area. And tenth one is Hyper PHP. Many these are the top most and methods of that we can create a new domain and hosting. For those who do not have a money to buy as a domain and hosting in other websites, so especially GoDaddy or Hosting or HostGator or Bluehost. Many these are the top most websites that we can buy the domain and hosting itself only. So for those who do not have money to buy those domain and hosting, so there is a free website so they get to create your you can create your free domain and hosting. So first of all, so I'm going to show you the first one is the Infinity Free. So Infinity Free. So Infinity Free is a free hosting initiate powered by iFastNet. It offers users. So in this, I'm going to tell you some few points in this Infinity Free. So an auto installer with more than 400 different applications, including the WordPress. But second one is the free subdomains. There is a free subdomains, and third one is it is an unlimited storage, and fourth one is unlimited bandwidth, and fifth one is 400 MySQL databases, and sixth one is knowledge base support is also there is free. Yeah, it's all are free. So you will have access to the software script installer to install the WordPress to hosting the services doesn't offer the domain registration, but you can see once if you are required from there another register. So now come see here once all of the actually I'm going to show you all those. So first of all, once your website is published, your visitor don't see ads. So however, they will be see ads in the C panel on the black end. Your site is also limited to 50,000 hits per day. So coming to the next point is that Wix. So coming to the next point is the Wix only. Let's see here. So I'm going to explain it as a first of all Wix only. So Wix is a website builder. However, we are featuring on this list because it's a kind of all the solutions for the both a website platform and services based to host that website. So since Wix does come with a plan, free plan. So this plan makes it as a free website hosting services as well. So next, see here all of you. First of all, see Wix is a unique way to enjoy a awesome site building features packed by the enterprise's great variability. On the free plan, you'll be getting as a Wix.com subdomain or beautiful templates or 500 MB disk space and 500 MB brand weight. Fifth one is global content delivery network. Sixth one is free SSL and security monitoring. And final point is a knowledge base and customer support. So these all are these all are it to you can create your Wix account only first. So for after that, see it's just like that. Most of the free web hosting provides Wix places they own ads on the free plan site. You can only connect a Wix subdomain and you have to or to be paid for the custom domain. So first one, next one is that next one I'm going to show you it as a so 000 So actually I have already shown you one of the website is as a 000 Actually, I've already created it. How to create a domain and hosting. I have already shown you one of the on that video only. So after that, there is a, I'm going to explain it as a free triple zero web host option. So let's see. So triple zero web host is a free hosting option from the hosting jet. Some of its feature like includes only one website, no subdomain, only one domain, and no subdomains, and 3 GB of bandwidth. Hmm? 300 MB of disk space. And final point is that YAML is a database. So, and after that, there is a community form, no live support. And so, first of all, I'm going to explain it as a triple zero web host. Triple zero web host comes with a zero website builder, which should make designing your site is intimidating. So, like Infinity Free, just to your website won't see ads, but there will be ads in your WordPress dashboard only. So I have already shown you all those ads only now. How I'm going to create a products. You can create your products also, or you can create your WooCommerce also. So that's it. And it's free hosting from the triple zero web host doesn't even require a credit card to set up, and you can use it as long as you like. Also, if you outgrow your free plan, you can easily upgrade to a cheap plan from the hostager. So hostager plans started at $0.99 per month for your list first billing cycle. And coming to the next fourth one is that Google Cloud Hosting. So Google Cloud Hosting is a technically free. However, it does a different a 1 year for the free trial that includes. So it is only one website and there is unlimited storage. And final point is the extensive support of documentation. So now I'm going to explain this as cloud hosting one. So while cloud hosting is a failure towards the large business, anyone can use it. So to get started, all you need is a Google account. So for the free trial lasts for the 12 months or until you leave up to $3,000, $300. It includes after this you can pay for the resources that you can use. Google offers as a price calculator to help you estimate your cost. So I am planning to use the WordPress. If you want to plant as a WordPress, you can plant as WordPress also because WordPress is a highly recommended website that you can install it as. So, and after that, you have to check out your guide on how to install it as a WordPress on Google Cloud only. So, coming to the next point of the fifth point is that Award Space. So, Award Space offers a variety of hosting services. It's best known for the free plan include. So there is only one website and three subdomains and 1 GB disk space and 5 GB bandwidth, MySQL database, and final point is the 24 or by 7 live chat. So our space, our space, it includes one click content management system for installation as well as the Zaki website builder. Also, the 24 by 7 live chat is available to create plan for the have a question. So once you launch your website will be ad is free. So plus you can you can place your ads also, you can monetize, and after that award space provides you, and after that award space provides you with the ability to monitor your brand which usage as well as which may you get the budget from your resources. So, and coming to the next point, sixth point is the free Hostia. So free Hostia, 3 year months. I'm going to show you the free Hostia. So free Hostia offers paid and free hosting. The free plan called Chocolate provides. There is a free plan called as a Chocolate provides. So in this website, you can create a free 5 websites, and after there is a no subdomain. And after coming to the next point is the 200 MB disk space. And after that, there is a 6 GB bandwidth. And yeah, there is a only one of the MySQL database. And final point is that FAQ and ticket support system. So let's see. Let's wait once. Okay. Yeah. Free Hostia custom platters aims to offer more reliability from its free hosting. Hopefully, this results in less downtime for your website. You will be have access to a website builder complete with the templates. If you want to run into the issue, you can have an answer to the support ticket in 1 hour even with the free plan. So next, coming to the next to 7 point is the free hosting only. So here, see here one, I'm going to tell you free hosting only. So free hosting offers for the free and paid hosting for these two data centers for with the free plan user. So there is only one website you can create it as a free only. And coming to the next point is that there is no subdomain. And coming to the third point is that 10 GB of disk space. The fourth point is that unmetered of bandwidth. Fifth one is of one MySQL database. And final point is the ticket support system. So how I'm going to explain it as a free hosting. So when you sign up, you can bring your own domain name or free hosting can register one for you. This provides promises unlimited bandwidth as long as you complete with this paid use policy. One time, billed as ads as once as available, such as additional mailbox or SSL certificate. Let me you improve upon the free hosting plan while keeping the cost low. So finally, example, I'm going to tell the example. The freelancing version does not offer the services or users in Brazil, or not only does not use in Brazil, Cuba, Iran, Sudan, or Sierra and Vietnam. So next point is ByHost. So ByHost is a Fastnet company provide a variety of web hosting services. It's a pre-planned feature. Subdomain subdomain is included. 5 GB space is included. Third point is that unlimited bandwidth. Fourth one is MySQL database, and fifth one is 24/7 support via ticket system and knowledge basement. So in this by host offers solid support for the free plan, which we can be rate. You can access self-services, knowledge base and video tutorials, but a ticket system is also available. And in this edition, you'll be receiving a usage statistics such as disk space, bandwidth usage, and daily hits. You can find this data into Vista panel. So which is by host free hosting control panel, and you can use the information to help us the budget for your resources. So coming to the ninth point is the Hyper PHP. So in there is a Hyper PHP is a free web hosting or services also provided by iFastnet. There is a plan offers are 1 GB disk space. Three subdomains are included. Third one is MySQL database is also included. Final point is that free tech support and community forms are included. So I'm going to explain it as a Hyper PHP only. So Hyper PHP offers a few ways to make a launching a new website. First, it's a free domain transfer is unavailable. So the host also offers on automatic script installer which you can access your Vista panel. So coming to the final point is that free web hosting area. So first of all, in this free web hosting area is a voluntary maintained hosting services which offers are 1.5 GB of disk space. There is a unmetered traffic and MySQL databases. And final point is that image supporting. So I'm going to explain it as a free web hosting area. Final point. So to use the free web hosting, if your site you must have at least one visitor per month. It can be deleted due to the inactivity if you want to drop below this metric. So these services also provide private projects or APIs and password products websites and websites. So free website area provides backups for all accounts. Although it's recommended you create your own as well. You can create your own as well in this website only, and after you can install it as a WordPress. WordPress is highly recommended only. Actually, I already told you. So it's a very highly recommended website is the WordPress. So and you can bring a domain or purchase or one through the provider own your space, own your service. So this was I am already explained you all the 10 points of domain and hosting website. So no, I am going to show you all those domain and hosting itself. Also, see how I am going to show now I am going to show you all those websites here only. So let's see here once all of you. Now I am going to share this screen everyone. Everyone look at very carefully, all of you. See here once all of you. First one is the website. First one is the website is Infinity Free. I'm going to the first of the website is as Infinity Free. I'm going to the site. I'm going to the new tab and you have to click on Google. And first of the website is the infinityfree.com. See, I'm going to the first website. It is the Infinity Free. See, but I'm not going to creating but I'm not going to creating all those accounts and yeah, I'm not going to install just this was the I'm going to showing you only those websites only here. Look at very carefully also. You can understand very easily. First one, first point is that Infinity Free and unlimited web hosting with PHP. So first of all, I'm going to the main website. It has a Infinity Free only. So for those who do not have an account of this infinityfree.net, first of all, there is a registration is there. See here it is showing the client area is there now. So if you have to click on client area. Let's wait. I'm going to show you the sample only, but I'm not going to create an account. If you don't have an account, you have to click on sign up and you have to create your account and you have to open your account and after that you can create your domain and host it. So let's wait. Let's see here on Solofy. Actually, I'm already have a domain and hosting only, So let's wait. This was the sample I'm going to show you here. Look at very carefully on all of you. For those who have an account of this infinityfree.net, please log into the infinityfree.net. So let's wait. I'm going to log into my account only. See, actually, I've already created account only now. So actually, these three websites are it's active only. First of all, for those who do not have any website in this free.net, you have to click on create a new like suite. After that, after you have to click on create a new and you can create your own website, own name of your website. And after that, you have to install the WordPress in with the software class cPanel. After the install it as a WordPress only. You have if you want to get it as a free SSL certificate, here free SSL certificate is also there, or domain checker is also there. Health centers for community form. So directly, I'm not going to show. This was a simple way. I'm going to show you here. Look at very carefully once all of you. So coming to the next point. Next point is that Wix. Let's wait. I'm going to show you Wix. Wix.com. For Wix.com, you can create a website or you can create a posting or many things. Many you can create any shopping carts also. I'm telling you all of you. But see, but there is only a trade until only for 14 days only. So especially I'm going to show you the sample here. For those who do not have an account of this Wix.com, please go please go through the this website and create your account and you have to log into the account. So I'm going to show you this sample only. So create a website that you're proud of. So discover a platform that gives you the freedom to create a design movie. So actually you already have an account only. So for those who do not have an account of this, Wix.com. Please sign up here for Wix.com and log into the account. So let's wait. I'm going to show you the sample app. Not only you can after you have logged into this account, you can build your own website, web postings and domains and hostings. So first of all, before you after you're building, you have to buy the domain domain name is conformly mandatory. All of you, for the actually this was I'm going to show you the examples here. Let's see here once all of you. Or I'm going to directly log into this account on here. So that's why let's wait for 1 minute. I'm going to show you all this. After you have logged into this account, see you have you'll be get like the dashboard only. So let's see here on all of you. See, see here on all of you. This was the sample. For those who do not have an account of this Switch.com, please go to this link and create your account, and you have to open the account, and finally you'll be get like this dashboard only. So see here on all of you. Here it is showing that create a new folder or create a new website is done. These are the example that I'm going to show you here on all of you. Look at very carefully. So actually, I have already purchased this premium website only, no? So that's it. I'm going to show you this example only. Let's wait. Let's see here on all of you. These are the samples that I have already done in this website on the perfect.com. So it's a very simplest way to build your website, and or otherwise you can simply build your domain and hosting, and you can save to them. You can save it also. So it's a very simple, guys. So coming to the next point is that 000webhost.com. So I'm going to the website. It is a website. It has a 000webhost.com. Okay. Now I'm going to the website. It has a 000webhost.com. Let's look at here all of you. Before you are purchasing this plan, first of all you have to check your plans only. So I am going to show you in this website of the plans only. So look at see here once all of you. If you for those who do not have an account of this 000webbox.com, please go through this website and create it as a get started is there. No, so first of all you have to click it as a get started, and after that see here all of you. Yeah, there are the many four plans are there here at home. So actually, if you want to select it as a free plan, if you want to select it as a free plan, first of all, you have to read all those instructions. See, only one website is, if you want to select it as a free plan, the one website is only available. And next point is that 300 MB of disk space is also available, and unlimited brand, which actually I've already told you, but there is no email account only. So these are the this was the free plan only. If you want to select it as a free plan, there is only one website or it's also only available. They will give you only one website only. So see, this was the sample only, and you have to click on create a. There is a see here once all of you. Free web hosting is done. If you want to select it as a free hosting, free web hosting, free sign up is there. Now you have to click on free sign up and create your account and install your hosting of WordPress. So coming to the next point is that let's wait all of you. Let's wait here all of you. Google Cloud Hosting. See here, I'm going to the website. It does a Google Cloud Hosting. Let's wait. Google Cloud Hosting. So I'm going to the website. It has a Google Cloud Hosting free. There is a free plans in this Google Cloud Hosting only. No? So let's see here all of let's I'm going to show that plan only. Let's wait. I'm going to here it is on this also main website is there now. Web hosting cloud.google.com is there. No? So you have to click it as a web hosting. For those who do not have an account of this website of cloud hosting, so please go to this website and you have to create your account. So and after that, there is here it is showing that Google Cloud Web Hosting is done. No, first of all, you have to click it as a go to the console. So let's wait. This was the sample I'm going to show you here. It's a very simplest way to that we can create a domain and hosting in those websites only, not only in this website also. So last time I have already shown you the top four websites I have already shown you here now. So I'll go for those who did watch my video of top four websites for buying the domain and hosting only. So I'll be give this video in the end of the part. So that's it. Let's take I'm working on this one. This for the main of the dashboard, and you can create a domain and hosting also. So this was the sample that they are showing here only. So in a few days, I'm going to show you that how to create a domain and hosting for free in a Google Cloud platform. This was the simplest way I'm going to show you, but I'm not going to create it as an account in this Google Cloud platform. So I'm going to create this website, domain and hosting in this website of Google Cloud platform only. Next video. I'm going to show you this website only. So coming to the see once all of you coming to the next point is that award space. Award space is there now. I'm going to the website as a award space. That's right. Award space hosting is there now. I'm going to the next website, name it as a award space hosting. So, but recently I'm going. This was the first time I'm going to show you this award space hosting only. No, so see here, you have to go to the main website. It has a awardspace.com. So I'm going to this website. I'm going to give this link in the description for those who do not have an account of this awardspace.com. I'm going to give all those links in the description only. So first of all, here it is showing that for those who do not have an account of this awardspace.com. First of all, there is a free sign up is there now. Button is there now. Free sign up button is there now. You have to click on free sign up button, and after that you have to create your account and log into the account. So actually, I'm not having account of this about space only. That's why I'm going to creating it only. So, but I'm not going to selecting anything. Select any plan. This was the example I'm going to showing all those websites only. So, and after you have sign up and you have to log into your account, you'll be you have your dashboard will be your account will be open. Let's say. That's it. Here it is showing that join the Ash one free hosting services. There is only one free hosting services are also are available for the free plan. See, coming finally, my account has been opened. Let's wait. I'm going to show you. See, this was the our place of main web hosting only. So let's see here. Okay. See here on Solve here it is all showing that welcome to your hosting is done. If you want to get a domain name, you have to click on it, get a domain. And after if you want to install it as a CMS, you have to install it as a CMS. And after that, or otherwise, upload website files is there. Now, if you want to upload the website files, you have to click on file manager and you have to select and you have to upload that file only. So this was the example they are showing here only. So let's wait all of you once. Let's wait. They are asking that create you have to create a new password. Now I am going to create it as a new password only. Okay. And after that, you have to click on close button. So let's see here all of you. If you want to install it as a here installation is there no. So in this awardspace.com there is the simplest way that we can install it as a hosting plans of it here. So especially WordPress and Joomla are available for the installation. So these are the very simplest way that we can create your account and you have to select the hosting and you have to install the hosting and your WordPress hosting is will be open only. So coming to the next point, I'm going to show you that coming to the next point is the free web host here. So I'm going to show you that website name it as a free web host here. See, I'm going to show. I'm going to the free web host here. You know, I'm going to the website it as a free web host here. See, let's say. See, finally, free web host here main website is there. But these are the very simplest guys, but you can create it. You can create in many websites for domain and hosting only. So see here all of you once. For those who do not have an account of this free web host, I'll be give this link in the description, and you have to go through those links, and you have to create your account, and you have to sign up, or otherwise you have to sign up to your account, and you have to log into the account, and you have to create your domain and hosting, and you have to install the hosting plans. So and after that, your hosting will be open. But actually, this was the simplest way. But I'm not having account of this free hosting only. No, directly now I'm going to click it as a sign up now for a free. So I'm going to click it as a sign up now for free only. So let's wait. Let's see here all of you. There is a free plan only for 1 year plan. There is a 1 year for free that we can choose that plan only. See here once all of you. Here planning option is there no chocolate plan or water circle or low wheat wild honey supernatural is there. The chocolate is the better selected select only. So and after that data center I'm not going to be selecting it as none only. So hosting the plan. So I'm going to type it as a sample only and after that here it is showing that you have to get it as a new domain is there no hosted domain is there no. Okay. And after that, if you want to get it as a new domain, you have to type any name and you have to click on search domain is there. So I'm going to select it as a only for a .com only. So I'm going to select it. .com is the better to select it as a website only. And after that, you have to create your you have to find your new domain and you have to click on continue and your hosting will open confirmly. And after that, your account will be open and yeah, and after that you have to install the WordPress theme of Hostinger and you have to create your account of WordPress and your account WordPress will be open only. So let's say this was a very simple guys. And coming to the next point is that free hosting. I'm going okay. Now I'm going to the website as a free hosting. Okay, I'm going to the next website it has a free hosting only. Let's let's see here all of you. Look at very carefully once all of you. See here freewebhosting.com is there no. So you have to click it as a freewebhosting.com. These are the very simplest way, guys. For actually, for those who do not have an account of this free web hosting, yeah, I'm going to give all this link in the description only. For actually, I'm already have an account only, no, but I didn't create install it as a hosting only. So that's why this was the simplest way, guys. So I'm going to show you here. That's why all of you. Or otherwise, I'm going to log in as another account only. So let's wait. See, actually, I didn't have an account on Windows, so that's why if you do not have an account of this freehosting.com, I'm go here. It is showing that create a new account is there. Now you have to click on create a new account, and after the click it as a create a new account of free hosting. Here it will be shown like this, like that. To create an account, please place an order with us. Is there no? You have to click on please place an order with us. See, after the click it as a after you click it as a place an order with us, yeah, here these are the two options are there for selecting a hosting plan is there. So if you want paid hosting is there. Paid hosting is $7.99 per, and second one is free hosting. Free hosting is the better to use. And after if you want to select it as a free hosting, you have to click on order now. So let's see. See here. After you click it as a or free or hosting order, you have to enter. You have to create a new domain and yeah, domain, and you have to check all those. See, for example, I am going to show you. See here also. Uh, see, and after if you want, there is a paid plan only. So that's why if, you have to pay your domain only, and after that you have to create your hosting and you have to install it as a hosting also. So that's it. It's a very simple guys. So actually I'm right now I'm going to click it as a continue. See here once all of you I'm going to show you here. That means there is a free hosting only. That there is a free plan. So that's why. Once see here, look at very carefully once all of you here it is showing that free hosting for 10 GB of disk space or unlimited bandwidth, one host website, one email account, one MySQL databases, and no subdomains and no domain aliases. Hosting on free servers only, PHP mail and are not included. So and after you have to click on continue, you have to purchase and you have to select your hosting and you have to install the hosting and your account will be open yet as a WordPress only. So WordPress is highly recommended only. I have already told you know. So was a very simple, guys. So coming to the see here once all over. Coming to the next point is that by host, byte host, byte host is there, no. So I'm going to the website which has a byte host. Let's say see here also. I'm going to the byte host is there, no. You can select. See, I'm going to the selecting it as a hosting dot by host only. So in the upside they here it is showing that byhost.com free hosting is there. No? So first of all, see here once look at very carefully all of you. You can go to this website. It has a by hosting by hosting. See, I have already created as a website as a by host free hosting only or free hosting only. So actually, I've already told you for those who do not have an account of this byhost or freehosting.com, please go to this website and you have to create this website and you have to log in and you have to create your new domain and you have to install the uh, you have to install the WordPress. So actually, this was the main website only. I'm going to show you only. So, but you can create it as a affiliate program also. If you want to create a domain registration, you can create it as domain registration also. So let's see here once look at very carefully. See, first of all, before you're creating this account, first of all, you have to read all those instructions in the free hosting only. So, and after that, see here, look at the case, your domain registration is there, no? So you have to click it as a domain free hosting, or otherwise many here are many options are there. Actually, I'm forgotten to show you here now. So once I'm going to show you all those options, look at read very properly, everyone. Once see here many options are there, especially free hosting is a mandatory for us mandatory available. So I am going to sign up for the free. If you do not have an account of this, sign up for the free hosting. First of all, you have to click here for sign up for the free hosting, and you have to create an account of this by host or freehost.com, and you have to select your hosting plan, and you have to install that. See here after you have for sign up for the free hosting is enough. You have to enter. If you have a subdomain, you have to enter the subdomain, and you have to enter all those details: password, email address, site category, and site languages. See here site language security code, and you have to enter the security code also. And after that, you have to click on register. See here, Gonzalo. This was a very simple, guys. So I am going to enter it as a subdomain only. So this was a sample I'm going to show you here. Sometimes in those websites, you have to activate all those websites in the Gmail account only. So see, this was a very simplest way, guys. All of you you have to select it as site category. I'm going to select it as a only for if you want to use a business, you can use a business on, but I'm not using a business other things. So I'm going to select it as a only for personal only. And after that, there is site language. You have to select it as site language. Site language is only English is mandatory only, no? So you have to select it as a only for English only. So coming to the see here. Security code is there now. So we have to enter the security code. See here. And after that, you have to click on this. See, an activation email has now been sent to the customer. You have to activate this website in this website in that website Gmail account only. So I'm going to show you. And after that, you have to click on activate this link, and your account will be open. So And after that we have to create a new domain and hosting, and after that you have to install the hosting plan, and your account will be open here in this website only. See, I'm going to show, now I'm going to activate this link only, but I'm not. I'm going to show the dashboard of this website only. Let's see here once all of you. After after you have activated this link, you can create your new domain, and you, you can select any hosting plan also. So but there is only I'm going to selecting as only for WordPress only. But I'm not going to show you. These are the new example that I'm going to show you only. See, now I'm going to activate this link in this email only. So let's click on activate. Here it is showing that there is an activation link is there. No? So you have to click on activate the link, and your account will be activated. So once see here, or look at very carefully all of you. See, my account has been activated only. So that's why here it is showing that my new client information. I got a client ID is there. No? 381397 is there. No? So that is an activated. My avatarpace.com has been now activated. The link has been activated. So now I'm going to show you here. Looking very carefully once all of you. Now I'm going to log in this account of avatarpace.com, not avatarpace.com. So this was the sample only. Hyper PHP. See, this was the not our space. This was the sample I've already shown you here now. So that's why let's wait here. Let's wait once again. Let's let's wait. Look at all of you now. Why not? But I didn't get this link in the so that's why I'm going to. If you have not received this link in this in the website, so first of all you have to click again, and you have to activate that link. And after your account will be activated, and you can create a new domain, and you have to select a hosting plan also. So hosting is only WordPress, so it's very highly recommended website only. So that's why I'm not going to show you all this. Sort of very simple plan only. So let's let's watch here. Coming to the next point. Coming to the next point is that Hyper PHP. See here on sorry. I'm going to the next website which has a Hyper PHP. See here once I'm going to the Hyper PHP. Yes, you have to click it as a type it as a Hyper PHP. So this was the main website of Hyper PHP is there. No? So I'm going to click this link it as a Hyper PHP only. So let's see here once all. There is an unlimited space, unlimited branch. Actually, I've already told you. No? So there is a software plus to install it is also there. So you can create a new domain and hosting this hyper.com only the hyper.com on website only. So see here also those who do not have an account of this hyperphp.com, please go to this link and you have to create your account only. So and after that here is showing that .com only is there now. So check domain name is there now. So you have to create a new domain. So I'm going to show you this was the example I'm going to see here once all of you. Okay. After that, you have to click a startup is there no? You have to click on start button. Let's wait. I'm going to show you here. And Koi Bade is there. No? So after you have to click on search button and you have to enter the code. See here, I'm going to show you. And after that, see after that you have to click on search button. Not so, not search button. You can select anything also. So, but here it is showing that many is, dot site or dot space or dot online is there. So for dot online is the $2.99 per year only. So see here for site for dot site is $1.99. See here you can select any plan also one of the plan also. So after that you have to add a web posting package there no so package is there no so I'm going to create it as a explore packages now for a web hosting. So if you want to transfer it old domain to another web this domain to another website you can transfer it also so that's why so there is it is not free not a free for the plan of iFastnet only hyper PHP. So let's I'm going to show you here look show you here once all of you let's wait. Or I have already shown you this plan on it. So there is a free post engine now offers are there here. No? So actually before you are creating this account of hyperphp.com, first of all you have to read all those instructions. So there is a free hosting for now offers. You have to read all those instructions and you have to create an account and you have to buy you have to select a plan or you have to buy it as a domain and hosting and you have to go to the cPanel and you have to install all those install the WordPress in the software WordPress app installer. So the account will be open in the percentage only. So and coming to the final point is that free web posting area. So I'm going to the website as a free web posting area. So see, I'm going to the website as a free web posting area. Free web posting area. Yeah. Okay. That's right. Okay, I'm going to the first main last website. It does a free web hosting area. So look, see here once all of you. I'm going to the main last website is as a free web hosting area. Hosting area. See here it is showing that ramscs dot frewh.com is there. No? So this was the main website of free web hosting area. So directly once I'm going to show you here. See here once look at very carefully. So for those who do not have an account of the free web hosting area, first I'm going to give you all these links in the description only. You have to create your account and you have to log into the account. See here but I'm not having this account on here. So this was the sample that I'm going to show you here. Once see here all of actually this was a new time I have already joined now. So create your free hosting account instantly for the free one.com is there. So I'm going to the new tab of this link only. So let's wait. So you want to select it as a free subdomain hosting. See, if you want to select it as a free domain hosting or all for already registered domains only. So actually, I'm going to show you here. I'm going to type it as a so I'm going to click the start button. See, once I'm going to this was the example I'm going to show you here only. And after you have to enter your email and you have to create a password and you have to create this website of free hosting web area, free web hosting area.com. So, and after that, you have to create a new domain and you have to select the plan and you have to install this WordPress plan. It's a very highly recommended website on this. So these are the very simplest way that we can create your this plan, and you can install it as WordPress for hosting plan only. You can select a hosting the plan and your account will be open. It's a very simple link. So these are the 10 websites that I have already shown you and I have already explained those websites only. So that's what today's topic is, that this website only. For those who do not have for those who do not have a money to buy all the domain industry, I have already shown you in this video only. So you in this 10 domain top most 10 domain free domain and hostings are there actually. I'm going to give all those links in the description only. So I'm first of all go to this links and create your account and you have to create your domain and hosting in those subjects only. So especially I'm going to give all those links in the description. So for those who all are having a touch page, so for those who all are having any doubts regarding about these 10 websites of what I've already explained about these topics only. So please comment me in my YouTube channel, everyone. So coming this was the simplest way of, that I have already explained now only. So for those who didn't watch my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click a bell icon from here, everyone. I'll be there. For those who all are having any doubts, please comment me on in my YouTube only, and I'll give you a reply in the person shortly. Thank you.